Although Tyler Thomas has not been accused of murder, his case will now proceed in federal court under new exploitation charges.
The federal government is taking over the prosecution. That says this is too complex.
Attorney John Tompkins isn't involved in this case, but discussed with us some of the new details revealed by a criminal complaint unsealed Tuesday. The document shows Thomas admitted he met Haley Busby over Discord and played video games with her for over a year on Roblox and League of Legends. However, the only record of communication with Busby investigators have found on Thomas's phone thus far is a Snapchat screenshot discussing his age.
The key that the defense has to get to is what was going on in the rest of the messaging. There's a lot redacted. Is there more to the story? And if there is more to the story, how do we tell that story?
He added investigators still must also figure out exactly how Busby died. Police say Thomas led them to where Busby's body was buried last week. His attorney, Sam Szymanski, told reporters no decision has been made yet regarding any potential murder charges.
I don't think it's much of a leap to suggest that they're considering jurisdiction over that aspect of the case, but that's going to be up to these very capable U.S. attorneys to decide.
Bank records show Thomas had been to a restaurant Busby worked at on June 5th, 2025, indicating he previously traveled to Indiana to meet her. According to the complaint, police found sexually explicit photos they believe Thomas tried to delete of Busby and an adult male. It appeared some were taken at an Airbnb that Thomas admitted he drove to after picking her up, and while searching there, investigators found possible traces of blood. Additionally, documents include an online conversation with a different minor from December in which Thomas described having, quote, depraved gore thoughts, telling the teen he hoped their age gap was even larger.
This is a compelling story. It is clearly a very key and important piece of what all is going on, but what we see in the criminal complaint is not everything that happened.
In Indianapolis, Scarlett O'Hara, Fox 59 News.